In this video, I'll show you how to control various aspects of the black box using a Keith McMillen BopPad. Many of these concepts also apply to more conventional MIDI controllers. You'll see how to use velocity and strike position to control pitch, filter, sample selection, and more. The BopPad is a USB class-compliant MIDI controller that you can connect directly to the device port on the rear of the black box. The BopPad is unique in that it can be configured as a one-zone trigger or as 4 one-zone triggers. It can also send MIDI CC data based on strike position as well as other common MIDI modulation signals. You will need to download the BopPad software from Keith McMillen in order to configure the various settings. In the first setup, I have configured the BopPad to send MIDI note numbers 36 through 39 on channel 1. On the black box, set the global pads channel to 1. These 4 note numbers will trigger the bottom 4 cells. You can also start and stop synced clips using a single MIDI note per pad. You can use this same configuration to play with sliced audio. By playing with the various settings like sync, playthrough, slice selection, and slice sequence, you can create interesting patterns and variations.
Good, the Eagle has Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has Listen, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
In the next setup, I've configured the BopPad as a single zone trigger, sending note number 48 and MIDI CC number 1 from strike position, both on channel 1. On the black box, set the global MIDI keys to channel 1, disable MIDI pads. Now the entire surface is one trigger, sending a single pitch. I have a synth sample loaded to demonstrate. On the black box, navigate to the main pad settings and touch the little box under pitch. Touch Learn and hit the BopPad to map CC1 from the strike position. This will allow you to change the pitch based on where you strike the pad. You can use the amount percentage to adjust the overall amount of change. Use MIDI velocity to control the filter. From the main pad settings, touch the little box under Filter. Turn the upper left knob to select Velocity. You can use the amount percentage to adjust the overall amount of change. Now you are controlling the filter with velocity. In the final setup, I have configured the BopPad to send a different chord from each quadrant. On the black box, navigate to the main pad settings and touch the little box under Filter. Touch Learn and hit the BopPad to assign CC1 from strike position. You can use the amount percentage to adjust the overall amount of change.